Okay. So it's Wednesday. Happy day. And my name is Tori. I think you on the though. Whatever 10 subscribers I have. So tomorrow I have stuff to do, and I really like my hair, so that's like the only reason I'm recording this, because I like my hair. I was like, I can just take pictures, but I was like, no, this is funner. So I did that, and it's stupid because I went to record. I like went and recorded, but I forgot to hit the record button, so I talked to the camera for like 5 minutes, and I'm just talking and blabbing on, and I'm like, and then I go, and I realized that stop recording button said start recording, so I recorded it, and I was like, that's stupid. Okay, yeah, that was really pointless. But I think that's it. Like, this is a really short vlog. I just really needed to, like, record, and I was like, my hair is pretty, and my makeup's kinda sorta done. And I felt like, oh, okay, YouTube sounds fun. And my hair is being stupid. I'm cool like that. Hey, here's my kitty. Come here, kitty. Come here. My cat's being stupid and won't come over here. Come here. Come here. Watch, here's my kitty. My kitty's on the over. Ready? Wait for it. Arr. She's camera shy. This is Midget. She's my fat cat. She's not even fat, but I call her fat because she weighs more than the other one. This is Midget. See? She's not really a pretty kitty. She's just white. Which doesn't like being held. Look at her. She's just like, okay, hi. Look at the camera. Hi, baby. Yeah, that's my Midge. Anything else? But yeah, that's my quick update. 3-minute update. The light is